Hola, perdón mi apariencia, voy a ver mi familia hoy, pero I know my family also wants to see my new place, so I figured before I leave, I would just film a quick walkthrough house tour and give everybody a look inside my new house. If you haven't seen my old house tour, I'll link it wherever that is, where I walk through how I set up my old house and the whole moving process. So today's video is just all about my new place. So let's get started. So here's my front door. There's also a screen door on the outside of this, my couch, and then here is my little teaching corner. So I don't know if you guys are aware, but I am going to be teaching English online through companies based in China. So I just set up this little corner with my little map. I have some props attached here on a little piece of twine, and then this is just where I will sit to teach. And I have a little ring light here so that kids can see my face. And I also have, casual souvenirs from my travels that I have stored here. Just to, kind of inspire me. We're teaching English with the hopes of moving abroad, so had to keep that inspiration going. But moving on from this corner, you shift over to my yoga corner, which is probably the area that you guys will be most familiar with in my house. But this is what it looks like when it's disassembled. I just kind of stack all my props here. I'm working on getting this on a stand so that it'll stand. But all my plants don't really live here. I just kind of gather them here when I film. They like to sit in other places where there's better light. Moving on from there is my dining room corner. I have these blackout curtains up just because this is a west-facing window, so it gets a lot of the afternoon heat. And you can see I have a big box fan here because this place only has swamp, evaporative cooling. So I don't have air conditioning, and I live in Tucson, Arizona, where the high, in the summer gets over 100. So it's a little toasty, but we make do with the fans, and my electric bill is much better. On this wall, I feel like normal people would have a TV, but I've just put my world map tapestry because I prefer to stare at that than a screen, because there's so many interesting places here. I want to explore them all. Okay. And then on this wall is just the heater, my floor cleaning supplies, a guitar that I don't know how to play, another plant, and this was actually up on the wall. You can see the little command thing there, but since there's evaporative cooling, it's much more humid in here, and so things actually don't stick to the wall very well. So I had to use a special adhesive double-sided tape to get these things to stick. But anyways, that's my living room and dining room. Let's move on into the kitchen. So I just have my keys and an umbrella right here, a little souvenir hat from Puerto Peñasco. Here's my fridge, all my receipts, my little brother and my sister, a quote that really resonated with me. I finally have a gas stove for the first time in my life. I really enjoy cooking on it. My spices. This is my tea cupboard. I store extra food up here just because in my old house I had a pantry. Now I don't. So this is my new pantry. And then here is also more food storage. As you can see, I'm a little organized with my spices. I only like to spice my food a little bit. And then moving over here is my glasses cupboard. I just kind of leave it open so that I can have this fan right here, just to get some air flowing in here, especially when the oven or the stove is on, it gets pretty toasty. And then below those cupboards, I just have a microwave, a blender, a toaster, French press, best way to make coffee. I will fight you on this. All my utensils, obviously plants, my basil plant, not looking as hot as when I got it. This is an African violet plant that I got from my granny. It's just soaking up some water, bottom up, before I leave. This is a Starbucks cup that I'm saving to do propagations in because it's nice and deep, so don't judge. So moving over here, we have my sink. I just have a dish towel hanging there. There's no double-sided, there's no garbage disposal, so I actually just have a little trash can for food down there. I should probably take that out before I leave. And then all my cleaning products. But yeah. I also have my Brita, because I love to drink water, but water in Tucson is just horrible. So I always keep that filled so that I can fill my Hydro Flask before I leave out my back door, which is probably one of my favorite things about this place is I have a back door and I can just bring my groceries right in from my car. Really handy. Turning around, we have my garbage and then this plant. I don't think I've named her yet. I should do a video about all my plants. Would you guys watch that? But this is my Monstera deliciosa plant, and I love her so much. This is her new leaf. Okay, this is not a plant video, this is a house tour video, but that's where she lives. Back through the living room, and then into my bedroom. So I just have jackets hanging right here. This is actually a plant grow light, because it gets some morning sun, but this side of the room just gets kind of dark, so I figured why not put a plant light bulb in there. Hello, this is my only mirror. So there's just some shelves. I keep random stuff here. Essential oils, oh, why you do that while I'm recording? That's a camera, some books, incense holder, some art from my friend, plant, deodorant, I need to pack that. Another plant, this is my rock collection. I love rocks. Here, let me turn the light off so you can actually see the color of things. These are all crystals and rocks that I've found on hikes. I love to go hiking. Here's some more art, a little tapestry that I just hung in that corner. Could you not? This is where my water heater lives. This is a little souvenir from Costa Rica. It says Aprendemos Español in Costa Rica, which I kind of did. Then this is my sarong from Thailand. Love it. And then I just outlined it with some Christmas lights and clipped some of my art to it. And then this is a souvenir from when a friend of mine went to Vietnam. This is my closet. I guess since it's open, I'll just, it's not organized, but there's a lot of space in here, and this dresser was free, so that's the best part. I have all my shoes hanging up there. Let's turn the light off. Close the door. I hang my towel and my robe right here. More art, more plants. This is a begonia plant from my aunt. Again, I know this isn't a plant video, but just look at her. She matches my nails. Okay. And she's just sitting on a box from when I moved, because I don't have a lot of furniture. This is a little chest, another fan, obviously. And then I actually have to share my washer dryer with the whole complex now. I used to have a washer dryer in my unit. So my mom said I could bring my laundry. So this is how I packed, in my laundry hamper. I'm gonna take these sheets off and throw them in here, but I just wanted to leave the sheets on so you could see this is where I sleep. I still haven't decorated this wall yet. Again, because I'm afraid things don't stick, so I don't want like pictures to fall off. I don't know. I'll decorate it someday. Maybe I'll do an updated house tour when I update it. I'm just kidding. This is an update from the night that I got back. I just put up this tapestry that one of my parents' friends got me in Thailand. I think it has elephants. Yep. Not sure how well they show up on camera when it's this dark outside, but yep, that's what I ended up putting on this wall. And then panning back around to this wall is the bathroom. So this is the last room. Oh, I forgot. there's a linen closet. It's pretty full. But then next to that is the bathroom. So we have the sink with storage underneath. Obviously, another plant. Oh, I lied. There's 2 mirrors. Then a window with another plant. Sounds like they're emptying my garbage out there. Some bath bombs because I finally have my own bathtub for the first time in like 3 years. And are we surprised? My shower curtain has plants. And I guess the last thing that I want to point out is my ceilings, because this is honestly the reason that I'm here. Like, I walked in to tour this place and I was like, yo, I need these ceilings. And it's in every room of the house. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I know it wasn't very in detail, but it was a very good overview of the entire place. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe down below if you'd like to see more videos. Let me know if you would like to see some more vlog style videos mixed in with my yoga videos, because you know, I don't have an interesting life, but I do things. So let me know if you'd be interested. Also, let me know, would you like to see a more in-depth video about my plants? Because obviously I would love to make one. I might even make one anyways. I think that's everything, so I'm going to load up my laundry and get going. See you guys next time. Bye.